over.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, y'all are piled up there.
I guess that's why I have no comms with the rear of the train, though.
Yeah, that's probably it.
So, when you mean piled up, you mean not on the rail?
Yeah, that would be it.
I guess TO got that filled in. .167 at Greenville, Wiley, y'all.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we need to tie this down, I guess.
Yeah, you might want to.
All right.
Did we pick it up?
Yeah, we'll all call her pull together.
Sheet to fill out.
Wiley, I need to let dispatcher know, or are you going to call them?
We're all stepping out for a minute. We'll be without you on the radio, but he's on the phone with Alan right now. He's going to call dispatcher.
Come in there, Brad. I need to tell you about a hazmat car back there, over.
About the car there, 167 Kentucky.
Is that the G8TX 228285, Mitch? Elevated temperature car?
Yeah, that's right. That's the only one back there. It's got has asphalt in it, class 9.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It's pointing north and south.
Okay, I just want to let you know there's one back there. That's the only one we have.
All right.
Proceed. Total axle 428. Speed 33. Temperature 81 degrees. Train is westbound. Detector out.
Yes, 4831 west. Sector 163 proceeding.
2I-167 Wiley Yard, over.
Wiley Yard, over.
Yeah, just to let you know, dispatcher hadn't answered yet. CO tore this train up here at milepost 168.9, over.
Say that again, over.
TO tore this train in two at milepost 169, over.
I understand. Train in emergency, milepost 169, over.
Yeah, left Shreveport over tonnage, draped over a hill, dynamic 7 on the head end, dynamic 5 on the rear end.
Alright, understood, over.
Says 4831, over.
No, it is not. Conductor's on the ground walking back.
Train emergency, air's not coming up, conductor is walking, over.
Yeah, I still got the block, but it's coming too, but between the first auto rack and the second auto rack.
But what was the reasoning, over?
That hill at 168, TO had it dynamic brakes on the head end and dynamic brakes on the rear end, and it pulled it between in between the first and second auto.
Alright, understood, over.
Conductor told me, over.
Was it broken on the first auto or the second auto? Over.
Conductor, which one did it break on, the first auto or the second? Over.
Back to it now. Auto. There's cops down there at this crossing. Tell them to call Greenville Police. We're going to have the this crossing for a while back here.
All right, Wiley, he said it broke on the second one, and he said there's also a police officer back there with his lights on at that crossing to call Greenville Police Department and tell them we're going to have that blocked for a while, over.
Alright, I'll call them over.
Alright. And here comes the fire truck.
It's on the A end of this second.
Wiley, you're 167 over.
Auto wreck.
Go ahead, Wiley.
Yeah, the Greenville police got a report that it was basically a vehicle that hit y'all, but they're not able to find the vehicle. There's not any damage to those rail.
I'm walking back here to the crossing now.
Conductor's walking all the way back to the crossing, Wiley, and it's on the A end of line 57, over.
167, say your conductor was walking back towards the crossing to the police officers, over.
That's correct, over.
I talked to a couple of police and they said that they got a call that some vehicle hit us.
He's almost back there, Wiley.
Track.
He said a car did hit the train that's in the trailer park on the north side of the tracks.
No, it did not hit. There's no car. There's a guy that called it in lives over there. That's what he thought happened since we were stopped.
Oh, alright. Thought that we hit a car, and that's why we were stopping, over.
Alright, I'll get people headed that way, over.
Alright, and also, are you ready for the next obstacle?
You got one locomotive hanging on to a cement train, over.
That's correct. To be precise, about 75-20 on the ton. It's going to have to hopefully shove back up the hill, over.
Understood. Can you tell me what crossing that is, over?
It's the one right there at the 168 signal, over.
Yeah, tell him I'm not for sure. I don't know if it's 118. It might be a 118.
Conductor said it might be 118, but I know it's the first crossing east of Artis Heights, over.
Alright, so Lee Street is that big highway that we go over as we're approaching 170. It's the crossing before that.
Artis Heights.
What was that, Conductor?
The one right here at Artis Heights.
Oh, no, the conductor said it is Artis Heights, over. That is correct, over.
Alright, understood. Over.
What knuckle you need me to drop off, Conductor?
Yeah, knuckle. See if I can get this wire out of his knuckle first. Found a spike for a chisel, but I need to find an anchor or something for a hammer.
CPKC Count 3, Kansas City, KCS 4831, over. Any update on the situation, over?
He's back there trying to get the quarter pin out of it, over.
Are you guys having to replace a knuckle, over?
Should, but our next obstacle is going to be if I can shove 7,500 tons back up this hill, over.
Alright, train came apart due to a broken knuckle. And working on getting that replaced right now. And then we'll see if we can shove the front cut back, over. Line 57, A end, TTGX 96523, over. TTGX 96235, over.
Alright, Conductor, I'm back with you, over.
Okay, I'm gonna see if his police can have his three-point protection. We don't have a contact. It's got some hard wire. I can't cut it with a spot.
Alright, 167 Wiley, over.
Yard.
Yeah, you got mechanical in route, over.
That's correct, I do, over.
Alright, he said it's got that hard wire. It doesn't have a Carter key in. It's got that hard wire. He said he can't get it into with the spike, over.
Say that again, over.
It's got a keeper for the knuckle pin and it's not a Carter key. It's like that big, thick, heavy wire they use. Over.
Okay, yeah, I've got him en route, and I'm headed that way as well. Over.
All right.
PKC Console 3 Kansas City, KCS 4831, over.
KCS 4831, over.
On the DP unit remote to put the rear cut against the head end since you're on a hill there. Otherwise, they're going to work on getting an engineer heading out that way. Over.
I mean, they don't stop the same way as, no, I won't be able to do that. Over.
I will let them know. Over. CPKC Console 3 Kansas City, KCS 4831, over. No vehicle hit the side of your train on the north side. He just had a train separation, over.
So the tracks thought that it happened, but it did not happen. Over. He was the one that called it in.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. CPKC Console 3 Kansas City, out.
Probably just about a mile, over. Or about a half a mile.
Okay. I closed it. I haven't got most of the way. I didn't close it all the way. Enough to release her.
Yeah, let me send the air back. I never did kick it off because I didn't want it to roll down this hill.
Okay. We got a fireman here. Around the lake, we can pick up the road. It's a F-knuckle instead of a E.
Okay, let me walk back there and make sure we got one. It's already kicked the other one off. Give me a second.
Everything seems to be going good. Not moving.
So far.
Okay.
PKC Console 3 Kansas City, KCS 4831, over. I guess whenever you get a minute, I gotta fill out this separation report for this one before you guys leave, over.
Rear end's back there at that crossing at 175 signal. You know where you picked us up that day at a few months ago?
Yeah, that County Road 1065.
Whatever that was, I don't know, little old rock road.
Yeah, I think coming up on it. We went to the cement plant, didn't see us, so made our way back.
Okay, well that's where the DP is. It's right next to that crossing.
Alright.
Still can't get it to link up. I'll get mechanical to get back here.
And they're 167, over.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, y'all are followed up there.
I guess that's why I have no comms with the rear of the train.
Yeah, that's probably it.
So, when you mean piled up, you mean not on the rail view?
Yeah, that would be it.
I guess CO got that filled in. .167 at Greenville, Wiley, y'all.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we need to tie this down, I guess.
Yeah, you might want to.
All right.
Did we pick it up?
Yeah, we'll all call her pull together.
Sheet to fill out.
Wiley, I need to let dispatcher know, or are you going to call them?
We're all stepping out for a minute. We'll be without you on the radio, but he's on the phone with Alan right now. He's going to call dispatcher.
Come in there, Brad. I need to tell you about a hazmat car back there. Over.
South Dakota, 167 Kentucky.
Is that the G8TX 228285 Mitch elevated temperature car?
Yeah, that's right. That's the only one back there. It's got has asphalt in it, class 9.
Okay, yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It's pointing north and south.
Okay, I just want to let you know there's one back there. That's the only one we have.
All right.
There, 167, over.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, y'all are piled up there.
I guess that's why I have no comms with the rear of the train.
Yeah, that's probably it.
So, when you mean piled up, you mean not on the rail?
Yeah, that would be it.
I guess T.O. got that filled in. .167 at Greenville, Wiley, y'all.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we need to tie this down, I guess.